Hello, it is Dan Webster here. I'm the head professional at St Anne's Old Links Golf Club and I'm back again in my indoor studio. I'm just going to do a quick review on the Callaway Great Big Bertha Epic driver versus the Ping G LS TEC driver. The reason for this review, one of our subscribers has asked, how does this perform against the Ping G LS TEC? Both designed to be low spinning, both aimed at giving more distance, both very similar product. So what I've decided to do, I'm going to put them head to head, 3 or 4 balls with each club, look at the numbers on the launch monitor and see which one comes on top. I've got to say, I've used this last year very well, got some good numbers with it. I'm really excited about this new Epic driver, the Sub-Zero. Both set at 9 degrees, both with stiff shafts. Let's see how they perform. Okay, so I'm going to hit my first few shots with the Epic Sub-Zero. Let's see what kind of numbers we get. Okay, they felt pretty good. So that's the Epic Sub-Zero. We're going to change clubs now and see how the LS TEC G driver performs against it. So for the purpose of the test, I am using the Pro V1 ball, the 2017 ball. I'm finding it performs really nicely. Good distance, good spin control with my shorter clubs, but certainly off the tee with the driver. Seems to be giving me a little bit better ball flight, lower spinning again. This is a G driver. Wow, I don't know if you can hear that totally different sound from the Epic. It's quite deafening in here, that. Good numbers though, good distances. Good hit, a little bit right that time. The club does feel very different. I gotta say, I do like the way that Epic sits, and you'll have seen that in other reviews I've done. You can watch my Epic versus the TaylorMade M1 I did on the link here if you want to have a look at that. Just reminded about the technology on this. There's Dragonfly technology on the G. Again, taking weight out of the head, dispersing the weight around the face. A very stable, low spinning driver. Final shot. That's about as good as I can hit it. Interesting to see some of these numbers. Okay, so looking at the numbers on the screen here, Callaway Epic Sub-Zero is in green and Ping G LS TEC is in blue. Ball speed average, again, varying strikes but pretty similar. Ball speed average 143.8 with the Callaway, 142.8 with the G, but that's negligible. Launch angle 14.8 with the Callaway. Notice how the G's launching a little bit higher. Very similar strikes. Backspin 2000 averaging with the Epic and 2.2. So there's a difference there, a little bit lower spinning. Again, could be down to the strikes, but we'll just compare these. All draws, each one of them nice draws. This is my golf shot. Peak height a little bit lower with the Epic Sub-Zero, carrying out at 251, running 273. The longest was 279, and then the G longest 273, averaging 249, going out to 269. First of all, Epic Sub-Zero, new technology, great product. I really like the way the club sits over the ball. Compared to the GLS TEC, very similar. A little bit more spin with the LS TEC, we're finding that anyway. A little bit higher launching despite them both being set at the same. Both giving me within 2 or 3 yards distance. So head to head, very tough choice. Again, this comes down to personal preference. Personally, I like the feel of the Epic, but one of our subscribers has asked which one's better, which one comes out top. I've got to tell you, the G technology is phenomenal, the Epic technology is phenomenal. They're both designed to do the same thing. Are you a G man or an Epic man? Do you fancy the look and feel of the Ping, the classic look with the turbulators and the Dragonfly technology, or do you like the nice Boeing designed aerodynamics on the Callaway Epic. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please keep watching. We've got more to come. Subscribe, like. I'm developing the channel all the time. We've got lots of exciting things happening, and look out for a new product launch very, very soon. We'll speak to you again. Thank you.